Are you ready to transform your classroom? In this video, we'll explore how ICT and AI can enhance your teaching. ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. I means artificial intelligence. Together, they create more engaging lessons while saving you precious time. This session is especially for English teachers in Pekanbaru. We'll focus on practical tools you can apply right away. Let's dive in. Indonesia's Merdeka curriculum now encourages digital innovation. Today's students are digital natives. They use smartphones and social media daily. With Wi-Fi available, we have a chance for interactive learning. But teachers need to evolve too. What's the difference between ICT and AI? ICT includes essentials like projectors and Google Docs. These tools help you deliver content effectively. They support communication and collaboration among students. AI, however, goes further. AI can create content just for your lessons. It personalizes the learning experience for each student. Tools like ChatGPT, Grammarly, and QuestionWell are excellent examples. These tools not only save prep time, they also provide tailored feedback for your students. Let's look at some exciting ICT tools you can use. Quizizz allows for fun, interactive quizzes in your class. Canva is perfect for creating visuals and posters. Google Forms is great for collecting feedback or quick assessments. YouTube brings authentic English contexts right into your classroom. Padlet encourages students to collaborate creatively on writing tasks. These tools are becoming popular in Pekanbaru schools. Now, let's explore AI tools that can enhance your teaching. ChatGPT can generate reading texts or dialogue prompts easily. Grammarly offers immediate checks for grammar and spelling. ELSAspeak supports students in practicing their pronunciation. QuestionWell can create questions from any text you provide. These AI tools save you time and personalize lessons. Let's see how they can work together practically. Imagine teaching grade 10 students about descriptive text. Start with an engaging YouTube video. Next, let ChatGPT help you create a reading passage. Use Quizizz for a fun vocabulary quiz afterwards. Encourage students to design posters using Canva. Then, share their work on Padlet. Finally, let's get them practicing with ELSAspeak. Each tool targets different skills. Together, they shape a powerful learning experience. Now, let's focus on QuestionWell. Simply paste a reading text into the tool. Choose the type of questions you want to create. Export those directly to Quizizz or Google Forms. It's quick and incredibly effective. But let's not overlook the challenges. Sometimes, the internet connection can be slow. Teachers often feel pressed for time. Many educators feel unsure about new technologies. Plus, students can over-rely on Google Translate. Don't let that discourage you. You can start small with just one tool. Seek advice from fellow teachers. Teach your students to use AI for learning, not just answers. What can you try this week? Create a ChatGPT account today. Experiment with QuestionWell using a short text. Design a Canva template for your upcoming class. Encourage your students to explore ELSAspeak at home. And how about this month? Try combining 3 tools into a single unit. Share your insights with your MGMP group afterward. Reflect on your teaching approach. Are you merely giving content? Or are you guiding students in how to learn? What's one small action you can take next week? Let's wrap this up. ICT and AI are here to help you focus on your students. They do not replace teachers, they empower them. These tools free up your time for meaningful connections. They make learning more modern and enjoyable. Let's reimagine our English classrooms. Let's cultivate creativity and student-centered learning. Which tool will you try first? Have you used AI in the past? What experiences can you share about that? Which skill in your students needs the most support? Reading, writing, speaking, or listening? Share your story and learn from others. Keep growing as an educator. Thank you for watching. Your journey as a digital teacher is just beginning. Keep your passion for learning alive. Remember, you are not on this journey alone.